Bread. A staple food made from flour, water, and yeast. Example: I enjoy a slice of fresh bread. The bread is soft and fluffy. She toasted the bread for breakfast. I like to spread butter on my bread. I always have bread for sandwiches. Rice. A grain commonly consumed as a dietary staple worldwide. Example: the rice is fluffy and tender. Rice is a common side dish. I like to make rice pudding for dessert. Rice is a staple in Asian cuisine. I use rice in stir-fries. Pasta. Italian food made from wheat flour and water, often in various shapes. Example: I enjoy a bowl of pasta. She boiled pasta for dinner. The pasta sauce is rich and tangy. I cook pasta in salted water. Meat. Animal flesh, used as food, typically from mammals or birds. Example: I like to grill meat outdoors. The meat is tender and juicy. She marinated the meat overnight. Meat is a good source of protein. I use meat in various recipes. Fish. Aquatic creature commonly consumed as food. Example: I enjoy eating grilled fish. She baked the fish with lemon. She likes to pan-fry fish for tacos. I like to steam fish with herbs. Fish can be cooked in various ways. Egg. The oval object with a hard shell that is produced by female birds. Example: I like to eat scrambled eggs. The eggs are rich in protein. I use eggs in baking recipes. Fat hens lay few eggs. The eggs were frying in the pan. Cheese. Solid, dairy product made by coagulating milk proteins. Example: I enjoy eating creamy cheese. She melted cheese on her sandwich. He bought a block of cheddar cheese. I enjoy a cheese board with crackers. I like to make grilled cheese sandwiches. Milk. White liquid produced by female mammals, a primary dairy product. Example: I drink a glass of milk every morning. The milk is creamy and nutritious. She poured milk over her cereal. I use milk to make creamy soups. I like to add milk to my tea. Butter. Solid dairy product made by churning milk or cream. Example: I spread butter on my toast. The butter is soft and creamy. He bought a block of unsalted butter. I use butter for frying vegetables. I enjoy butter on freshly baked bread. Salt. A crystalline mineral used to enhance flavor in food. Example: I sprinkle a pinch of salt on my food. The salt enhances the flavors in dishes. She added salt to the boiling water. He bought a container of sea salt. I always keep salt in my pantry. Pepper. Spice derived from dried berries, adding heat and flavor. Example: the pepper adds a spicy kick to dishes. Pepper is a versatile spice in cooking. The pepperoni pizza is savory and flavorful. I like to season roasted vegetables with pepper. Pepper adds depth of flavor to sauces. Sugar. Sweet, soluble carbohydrate, often used as a sweetener in food. Example: I stir sugar into my coffee. The sugar adds sweetness to desserts. She likes to sprinkle sugar on her oatmeal. I use sugar to caramelize fruits. I enjoy a spoonful of sugar in my tea.